In this lesson for Nick Software Sharpener Pro 3.0, we'll take a look at how the software integrates within Apple's Aperture image editing software, allowing you the ability to edit or sharpen more than one image at a time while within the Nick Software Sharpener interface. So in this case, we'll select a couple of images. Here's one from a wedding, and we'll go a Command or an Apple click on a second one, and then we'll just go Control click right on the image to show the shortcut key for Edit With, and we'll come down to Sharpener Pro. You can also access that interface by going to Images and then drop down to Edit With and select Edit With Sharpener Pro 3.0. So as we open these two files in the software for Sharpener Pro 3.0, you'll see that on the bottom we have the number of images, and we can go next or previous once we start editing, and you can edit several pictures at a time. So in this case, we're going to start off by going to select our output device. We always edit by selecting an output device, never by gauging the sharpness that we view on our monitor. So we'll click Inkjet, we'll click Auto Viewing Distance, and then we'll select the paper type. In this case, let's say we'll select a luster paper, and we'll go to 24 by 24. That's our resolution for the printer that we're working with, our desktop inkjet, in this case an HP printer. And I think we're okay with that one. So now we're going to go next, and this will bring up the second image that we have loaded in the system. So here again we can go to our output, and again we'll do the same paper. We're going to go to the same resolution, and in fact these can be set as presets where you can add your own custom presets, up to 10 different presets. What that does is it gives you the ability to come in and make this a one-click sharpening solution, so that once you open the interface, you click on the preset, you click OK, and you're done, and you've optimized the sharpening based on the output device that you've selected. The only other thing that we might do here is increase under the creative sharpening. We might increase structure slightly, and what this will do is increase the texture, the sharpness of texture, so it sort of looks for areas in between edges or fine lines and sharpens in that area, and gives us the ability to really add a good solid sharpening just on the textures. Well, this will help the beadwork in this gown, I think. So we'll click OK, we'll click Save All on those. So now they're working, and we'll go back into the interface for Aperture, and we'll see that we'll have the original file that we started with, and next to it we'll have a new version, and that new version file has the sharpener applied to it. This gives us the ability to basically work non-destructively, so that when we save all after we've been editing our files, we have complete new versions that are separate from the originals. Okay, and we can see in the bottom in the film strip, you can see the original, and then you can see the second image that was saved. So you've got them right there. This is a very clever way. It's a way to work within this multi-image editing to save time, allowing you to stack up a number of prints that you want to edit at one time and open them all within the interface, and just go by one at a time editing, and you can customize each one of the edits specifically for the picture that you have in front of you. Click Next and go through all of them, and it's just a fast way to work.